In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Disable Use Desktop Theater when VR is active Steam. This setting controls whether non-VR games launch inside a virtual theater screen when your headset is on. It's handy if you want to play traditional PC games in your VR headset. And just as useful to turn off if you prefer those games to stay on your monitor without popping into a virtual cinema. I'll walk you through the Program AMI option first, then the global SteamVR setting in case the checkbox isn't available for a specific title. Start by opening Steam and heading to your library. Find the game you want to adjust, right-click it, and choose Properties. In the General tab, look for the checkbox labeled Use Desktop Game Theater, while SteamVR is active. Toggle this based on what you want. Check it to enable desktop game theater for that game, or uncheck it to disable it. This change applies only to the selected game, so it's great for fine-tuning your experience title by title. You don't need to save anything here, just close the window and you are set. The next time you launch that game with your VR headset active, it will follow the choice you made. If you don't see that checkbox for a particular game, or you want a broader default, use the SteamVR settings. Start SteamVR so the status window appears. In the top left, click the menu button, the three horizontal lines. Go to Settings, then Dashboard. Find the option named Present Non-VR Applications on Theater Screen upon launch and disable it if you don't want Desktop Theater to appear automatically. If you change your mind later, come back and enable it. This acts as a global behavior for non-VR apps and the Program AIM property, when available, can still override it for specific titles. A few quick tips to make things smoother: make sure Steam and SteamVR are up to date. And if a change doesn't seem to stick, restarting Steam or SteamVR usually clears it up. Remember that enabling desktop game theater can slightly impact performance on some systems. So if you're chasing the best frame rates on your monitor, keeping it off may help. On the other hand, enabling it is great if you want to stay in the headset and keep everything in one place. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.